Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how to change your full screen options in Hollow Knight Silksong. Let's begin. All you want to do is simply head into your options, then into Video tab. As a second option, we have currently full screen being set to Borderless. And you will notice that this is actually a default version. We can switch it off, so now if we hit apply, we'll actually see our window. And we can simply hit on, which will put us into full screen mode. And oh, even my recording software bugged for a moment because of the how full screen works. If you are using more than one monitor, I would advise you Borderless. I'm very sorry for the black screens now, because thanks to Borderless you can really, for example, Alt-Tab out of your game without having whatsoever. But anyway, that's all for this video. Found it useful? Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.